Do you see this error? App not available. And you cannot download or update FC Mobile? Don't worry, I will fix it for you in 1 minute. Step 1. Open your iPhone settings. Click on your name or Apple account at the very top. Step 2. Look down and click on Media and Purchases. Then a menu will pop up. Click on View Account. Step 3. Wait for it to load. Then click on Country and Region. Step 4. Click the blue button that says Change Country or Region. Step 5. Scroll down. You need to select a country where the game is working. I recommend choosing United States or United Kingdom. Select it now. Step 6. You will see the terms and conditions. Don't read it, just click Agree at the top right. Step 7. This is the most important part. For payment method, you must select None. If you don't see the word None, you might have a subscription active that you need to cancel first. Step 8. Now fill in the address. You don't need a real house. For street, type anything. For city, type a city like London or New York. For postcode, this is important. Go to Google and search for a real zip code for that city and copy it. Then click Done. Now close everything. Open the App Store again. Search for FC Mobile. Boom! The error is gone. You can now update or download the game easily. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more fixes. See you in the game.